Hey everyone, it's Josh Minix from Sleep Game. Alongside me is Braden Cole. Yeah. Anyway, today we are bringing you a special video on how to install RAM. Right here we have a crappy old Intel motherboard that I used to use, and unfortunately it's used its the last of its life to play some Skyrim.
It went down with honor.
It went down with major honor, with the honor of the Nords and the dragons and stuff, you know? Okay, anyway, and it has this little crappy processor, this Intel Pentium D, 3.2 gigahertz. It lasted quite a while. I mean, we already bought it pretty crappy.
We beat the shit out of it.
And yeah, we destroyed this thing time and time again, and it just held up for a while, and then finally just gave out. So, yep, and right here, we're going to install the RAM, and I have some old Super Talent.
It's a gigabyte.
It's a gigabyte of DDR2 RAM. It has this little, yeah, it's a heatsink metal dealio. Not all of them have that, so if you don't have one on yours, don't freak out and stuff. What is that? Oh, okay. Sleep Game Dog tag thing. Anyway, we're gonna install this RAM, and right here we have the RAM ports for said motherboard, and we're going to install it. Now, if you look really, really close, about right there, you have this little break, and then, coincidentally enough, you have a little break right there on the RAM. Yeah, and different sizes have different locations for the break and stuff like that. And some may have multiple. It just depends. So, to install, you're just going to slide it into one of these little slots here, so you can turn it the right way, and then press down on one side, and then you got this little flip that clicks in when you push down on it, latch, and you press the other side down, and you hear that pop, and you look at it, and as you can see right here, these are firmly in, and you just push it a little bit, and that's how you install RAM.
If you have to force too hard, make sure to tell them that then you must not have it right, because it's not that hard to push in.
Yeah.
And I've broken, the first time I ever messed with computers, I broke the motherboard because I thought I had it in right.
Yeah, you just gotta make sure that you're lined up good, and it goes in fairly easy. It's nothing insane, it's not gonna kill yourself just to try and do that, and if you're doing that, you're doing it wrong. It's just the easiest. One side, other side, done. And then you put as many sticks as you have in, whatever's supported. You can look up your, there's websites you can go to that detect your motherboard and detect how, if you don't know what your motherboard is, it tells you exactly how much RAM's possible to put in it and what kind of RAM you need. So that way you don't have to worry about if you're getting the wrong RAM or not. So, yeah. Unfortunately, this only had 2 slots for RAM, which would have been nice if it had 4, but oh well, we dealt with it. But yeah, this has been the video on how to install RAM onto your motherboard. I hope this video has helped anybody that has ever had any questions or any of that stuff. And this is Josh and Braden Cole from Sleep Game, and we're signing out.